Hi everyone, welcome to my Subelia beauty channel. Hi, I hope you're okay, and in this video I'm going to unbox both of my BoxyCharm January 2020, and it will be a really quick unboxing because both of my boxes are the same variation, number 13, and also I have 8 boxes to unbox, so it will be a really quick video. So for this month it was breaking the ice, and like I said, I received the variation 13 for both of my boxes, and also I was kind of a little disappointed because all the scoops, sneak peeks that I have watched, YouTube videos that I have watched, like they showed awesome products, and the value of the box were like $200 and plus dollars, like 245 if I remember correctly, and mine value is only $151, and I have 3 skincare and 2 makeup. So I didn't even have a highlight, and if you follow me in Instagram and everything, you know that I love some highlight. So let me go ahead and show you the first item that I got. It's a Dr. Brandt 24/7 retinol eye cream, at this one here, and this was my choice. And then my second product was the concealer Pretty Vulgar, this one here. It's the number 60 Little White Lies. And then the second item I received is the lipstick Mana Cadar. It's the number 60, not 60, sorry, Lip Whip Fate, this one here. And then the other product that I received is the Skinco Aroma Plushing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage, this one here. And this one, I don't know if I will be able to use it since I have sensitive skin. And the other product that I received, the last product, is Glow Recipe Sleeping Mask, Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. So I told you I have nothing excited in this box here, so no highlight, no like real makeup. So thanks again, thanks for watching. Like I said, you will have all the information about the box in the description box. So thanks again, thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.